Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. This is the Luxe luxury toy hauler. It's a 16-foot garage with a side patio and entertainment center outside. I'm going to bring you in here very quickly to show you the interior on what's going on. We're diligently planning and getting this thing done for our next event, which is going to be near the Tampa RV show next week. So hey, we've got some beautiful Brazilian hardwood interior in here. This is a maple hardwood. It has all the soft touch doors, the closed doors with the dovetail that you would normally get on any of our luxury fifth wheels. Just a beautiful unit here. We've got the L-shaped couch that faces the entertainment center, so you don't have to crane your neck. Going into the bedroom area, this is a master bedroom. It has also in the bathroom a glass backsplash, very modern looking, nice interior. Here's your bedroom area. Swing around here. Beautiful headboard in this. This is a design that we've done ourselves. We're really proud of that. So you've got a pull-out TV, very unique. Nice huge door, prep area for a washer and dryer if you choose to have that. So hey, give us a call at 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com and come ask us some questions and visit us during the Florida Super Show.